often see a lot of drought-tolerant plants that have kind of that gray, furry foliage to them, but this one with the hot pink flowers is sure to be set apart from those others. This is Rose Campion, and it's a really great plant that does well in our hot Oklahoma summers. Now you can see here how it gets to be about 2 to 3 feet tall, and while this is a hardy perennial from zones 4 to 8, it's really considered a short-lived perennial. It blooms best in its second year, and so you can keep encouraging these flowers that will come on late spring into early summer by deadheading them. Now if you want to encourage its growth in the garden, because it is a short-lived perennial, it'll often reseed itself. So you're going to want to deadhead it to encourage flowers, but as it starts to wane on those flowers a little bit, go ahead and let them set seed so that it will continue to reseed itself in your garden. Also, if you're collecting those seeds, it'll produce a little black seed in the fall, and if you're collecting them, you want to make sure to go ahead and seed those in the fall because it does need about 3 weeks of moist, cold stratification in order for them to germinate the next season. So when it first starts growing, you'll see that it kind of has a basal growth of that silvery foliage, and after it's flowered, if you want to trim it back, you can do that just to enjoy the foliage, which makes it a really nice plant to add into the garden. It kind of has that lamb's ear look to it when it's not blooming. Rose Campion has been growing in gardens for over 2,000 years, but you're more likely to find it from a fellow gardener as a pass-along plant versus in the nursery because of its nature to bloom better the second year. Rose Campion is a great addition to any perennial garden, and also it does well in rock gardens because it tolerates poor, dry, rocky soils, even in Oklahoma.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.